show you guys the overall view of the home buying process and how myself, Beth, and Julia, how we all come into play. So first, you want to find a real estate agent like me that can help you. We would sit together or we would chat over the phone and you just kind of tell me some of the different qualifications or different things that you're looking for in a home so I could get a good feel for what we need to look for in the market. And then I would advise you to go get a pre-qualification letter where you would go and see Julia. That's very important because 9 times out of 10, if you start looking and you find a home and you want to put an offer in, we have to provide a pre-qualification letter. Mainly because the seller wants to make sure that you can actually afford this house before they take it off of the market where no other people are allowed to view it. Then we're going to start searching for the homes. And once we put our offer in, if the offer is not accepted, then we're just going to start the whole cycle over again and just continue to look at homes and go and view properties. If they accept the offer, we're going to go into the due diligence process. So the due diligence process, pretty much you're paying the seller, you're buying time for you to do the things that you need to do when you're looking for the home. So you need to get an inspection and you also need to get an appraisal. So you're giving the seller money, hold this home for me while I check the home out and make sure everything checks out properly so we can move forward with the process. During this time, Julie is working on all the documentation. You're going to be working with the loan officer, providing her with whatever that she needs in order to get the mortgage approved. And Bess comes into play where she's checking all of the title insurance. She's doing all the things that have legal obligations tied to the property. Last but not least is the closing day. So you're going to come in, you're going to sign all these papers, you're going to be freaking out and full of anxiety, but at the end, once the deed is recorded, you'll get your keys to your new home.